If there's one thing out there that is super popular and I get asked about all the time, that is highlighter. Highlighter is one of those little mystery products that makes everybody look beautiful and glowy and healthy. So I want to show you the new Duo Cream Highlighter Stick. There's two shades, a pearl and a gold. And I like using the gold on my cheekbones. Just apply it like that with your stick. You can see it on my cheeks right there. You can see it glowing. And I love using the blending brush to blend it. It just blends it really naturally. Just like that. It's that easy. It's very subtle. So when you turn your head, you can see it glowing. You shouldn't be like, oh, she's got highlighter all over her face. You can also apply it right here. It's called your Cupid's bow. It helps give your upper lip a little bit more fullness, and you can apply it down the center of your nose if you like. I like to stop it before the tip of my nose just so I don't have, it doesn't lengthen my nose. If you put highlighter on the tip, it makes your nose look longer. So that's a tip for you. Keep the highlighter from the tip of your nose and it will help your nose not look elongated. That's it. That's simple highlighting. You can also use it on the inner corners of your eyes, but my favorite place is the cheeks. And you can see how it just opens me up and makes me look really healthy and glowy. And we all need a little glow.